wanted to be more dominant, more aggressive, and still have that calm demeanor, but really taking command of the game at hand. She's looking for more consistency from herself and from her teammates. And if they stay consistent, they just might go home early tonight.
In this game.
Mababa ang porsyento niya, nabablock kasi siya eh. Markado siya eh.
But even in other
Ayun,
skills.
that's gamit niya. Yeah, you were saying, sorry.
I mean, in other skills, hindi rin siya
12-8 is the tally. Akari threatening to make this a sweet deal of a straight sets win. Good cut shot by Tamara. She needs more of that, actually.
Ito yung maganda dyan kanina kasi PVL kasi she's up against taller players and veteran players.
Kailan gugulang ka dito eh, di ba? Gamitin mo yung smarts mo. Look at this, a 2-point, a tied set, sorry.
That's the worst,
sorry. Wrong memory.
Idea.
Sobra ka naman. Kasi yung mga libero, di ba, pag right in front of them, naiinis sila na hindi nila nakuha. Joust. Oh! Kept in play. Palo! Natinig mo? Sabi niya. Yan ang masarap pag wala masyado marami. Kasi alam ng mga Japanese, they're smaller. They have to do something different against the taller European teams. Proven in the 64 and 68 Olympics when they started winning and volleyball became part of the Olympic program. In the meantime, Rachel Soltones. Oh, she got it. I thought she would overcook it.
And clearly almost a 6-footer itong si Oli Ocaro.
Tapia stretching, and it's a difficult free ball, but it's in play. Cal. That's much better from Laksina. That's what she wanted to do earlier. Mondoñedo. Laksina. Oh, bullet. As we arrive at match point from Victoria.
Just in the front row.
Where's Sosa? Cal. And let's go home.
Nanigurado and pumorsiyento dito kay Oli Ocaro. But clearly Akari playing much better as a unit in this game.
Every day. We'll bring this to a close with the confirmation of the score in just a short while, but we'll also get to